Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Madalena. Today I'm going to show you how I curl my hair. I'm going to be using a GHD wide curling tongs. I like the curling tongs that comes with a barrel. I find it really easy that way. And I'm just going to show you how I do it. So I'm just going to section my hair. I'm sectioning the nape area away. I am not using a lot of product to begin with, so because my hair is a little bit porous, obviously is blonde now, and I had to use bleach to get rid of the copper tones. I'm using a high lift tint on my roots, but the ends have been bleached, so the hair is a little bit more fragile. Porosity in the hair means that the cuticles are open and the hair is a little bit drier and damaged. So I don't need to prep my hair for curls because it already has a little bit of porosity. So this is what I'm using. I'm using a GHD's curling tongs, quite a wide barrel, and I'm curling it and I'm dropping the curl. I want to achieve quite a slim curl. I'm sliding the curling tongs across the section and I'm dropping the section and then down like that. Right at the end I'm going to use hairspray, but not to begin with. So if my hair was virgin hair or in a really good condition, I would have probably had to use a hairspray that creates a little bit of texture just to make sure that the styling is going to last well. Someone that has, as I said, virgin hair or really good quality hair will need to prep the hair before. I do prefer a wider tool, wider GHD curling tongs, because I only want a little bit of a wave. I don't like it too curly. So this is my favorite tool that I use in a salon, the GHD curling tongs with a wider barrel. So I've got my section of hair and then I'm sliding the GHD curling tongs and I'm lifting the barrel a little bit. I'm dropping the hair and then there you go, I've got a really slim curl. The front of where the fringe is, has already been curled, so I'm not going to go over with the heat. Most of the time you want to minimize the heat as much as you can, or if you know that you're using hot tools all the time, maybe use them on like minimum heat or medium heat. So I'm happy to how it's looking. It's still a little bit warm. I'm just going to let it to cool down for about a minute. I will spray a little bit of hairspray now. I'm just going to wear it a little bit. I do feel like I need a haircut. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I hope you like my curls.